In this video, I am going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. Roblox voice chat on mobile is currently in beta, so not all accounts have access yet. Here's what you can do to enable it if it is available for your account. Requirements: be 13 years of age or older. Roblox require your age verification for voice chat. Have a verified email address and phone number on your Roblox account. Enabling voice chat. Open the Roblox app and tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Tap the gear icon for settings. Tap on privacy. Look for beta features or enable voice chat depending on the app version. If you see enable voice chat and it is not toggled on already, tap the switch to enable it. If you don't see the option for voice chat, it may not be rolled out to your account yet. You can wait for a future update. Roblox may prompt you to allow the app to use your microphone. Make sure to grant this permission for voice chat to function. Once enabled, you can use voice chat in compatible Roblox games. In-game, a microphone icon will usually indicate how to unmute yourself, and see who else is talking. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.